Me about to show you the baddest man in a Jamaica. Send that video to your friend. Dog,
I told him I'm hungry. My bark is louder.
I'm hungry like
Joker was
pitbull.
Miguel Iron Dog Ray, a mystery to many, and they turned out to see what he would offer against the experienced Devon Concrete Moncrief. The final.
Be honest, I try to be cautious and protect myself. I never know nothing about him, but I realize he barely can help himself, so I just have to go step off him.
Oh, them man
I
are
give them some rounds, yes, but when I catch him really want to, I realize I have nothing left, so I just say, boy, maybe just finish it. But it don't make sense, you make a man today, dead already, and you just make him stay.
My God. You hear that? I finish him in getting up.
Weeks now, weeks.
Finish him.
And I
In getting
swear,
finishing. A man can
just
come
like to
back.
put on a show for entertain. People need back in a boxing and the sport. An entertainer. I am an entertainer. As we go, we learn. You take a couple punches from me, learn from me tonight.
You hear that?
I'm still
You hear the
hungry.
dog, man?
Fans
The
also
man
have
sound like
their
a real
say.
The
dog.
dog dead long time. The dog need a leech.
Dog deal a lead.
No man, it's not a mongrel, it's a chihuahua.
You want to think about this? You think him bad? Or just a talk?